this, which says we get all the water we need from our food, and think 8 glasses is too much, especially if you eat lots of fruit and veg. So does that mean we don't need to worry about sipping water all day long? Well, Alice and I are getting to the bottom of just how much water really is inside some of the food we eat. We've brought 3 meals to a company of centrifuge specialists, where Jeremy Barker is going to spin them so fast it will separate the liquid from the solids. Have you seen this being done before, Alice?
No, I haven't. It's
Fascinating, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really good. First up, breakfast, a fruit salad and a bowl of cornflakes. Now, I'd normally have a decent serving of milk with my cereal, which of course would count towards my 8 glasses of water a day. But without that, the fruit that those reports say could account for a lot of my daily water needs isn't really going to quench my thirst.
The majority of this water is actually coming from the fruit.
So really, from, a dish of cornflakes and a bit of fruit, that's the amount of water. Up next is lunch, and it's a high street meal deal with a bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich, a packet of crisps and a bar of chocolate. Once again, the fruit and veg is doing very little for the meal's water content.
Oh, nothing in there.
Nothing. Oh, let me see.
You might have to tip it to one side.
Nothing in there. No.
No.
Okay.
No.
I thought there'd be a lot more water in there.
Now, the meal deal you might buy those in will probably come with a drink as well. And you certainly need it because there's no water in here.
But Gloria, that doesn't surprise me because most processed food is low in water.
Right. Which actually brings us then to dinner, which is a cottage pie. While that might be ready-made, the carrots and green beans that go with it are fresh. But once again, it's surprisingly dry. I just have a bit of oil in this one.
Yeah, small amounts.
Same for me.
Normally in a cottage pie you would expect a lot more water to come out. When you make it at home, you'd hopefully put more vegetables in, and that can increase all the fluid content.
While the reports aren't wrong about fruit and veg having the highest water content, they are wrong to say that we can all get what we need from our food. I mean, what I draw from this experiment, personally, is the fact that you cannot depend on food in order to get water.
No, indeed, that's right. We only get about 20% of our fluid requirements from food alone, so we need to really make sure that we are drinking enough water throughout the day.
That's why the official recommendation we should all have 6 to 8 glasses a day stays the same, however much you eat. So have the staff at the water